Morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 11:14 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, November 11th, 2021. This is not financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified when these videos come out, as well as thumbs up and share the video with your friends and colleagues interested in Ethereum. Twitter link below if you're interested in intraday updates and major market moves. And we've had a few of them yesterday night, keeping me up all night long, keeping me busy. But that's the beauty of cryptos. You get to play with this thing 24/7. So we're still in the channel on Ethereum US dollar. We're definitely on the uptrend still. We had a massive sell-off yesterday in Bitcoin, clearly creating hell and high water on the Ethereum US dollar pair, going as high as 48 and change, all the way down to a grueling low of 44.87. I was a little concerned about this thing breaking down. Well, we pulled up quick. I tweeted it out. We're still in the channel. We're safe and sound for the moment. But continue to keep your eye on the overall. Zoom out. Even if we broke down, it wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. We do have this channel, and the channel continues to go on and on and on. And that continues from March of 2020. The bigger channel. So anyway, glad to see that we stayed in this channel, at least for the near term. And clearly a sign of strength for Ethereum. It's really kept its own relative to some of the other altcoins, some of them getting a little more decimated than others. But Ethereum, as we know, is one of the most powerful ones out there. So anyway, we do have a floor of support still around 45.38, almost where we landed yesterday night. And we have a resistance area of around resistance area of a little over 5,000 right now in the current time frame. So Ethereum, Bitcoin is actually making a nice rebound from yesterday also. We were as low as 7,000, really up to 7,300 almost. Pretty demonstrable. So I'll zoom out here also. Zoom out when in doubt. And as we see here, this triangle pattern is still, the pennant formation is still in the making. This thing just wants to go up. It does want to break this resistance area, roughly around 74.55, and we've already more than recovered half of that distance between the low and this resistance line in less than 12 to 24 hours. So Bitcoin dollar, this is where all of the scaredy cats came into play. We did have a line of support here, roughly around 64,000. I was a little concerned about it. I tweeted out possibly a 62,000 line of support, which is this resistance area. In the event we continued down, we didn't. We pulled up. But if we do pull down again, our current area of resistance on Bitcoin is around 61,683. Now, let's go to Bitcoin dominance for the moment. Just understand a couple things, especially for people that don't know the difference. These are two cases. Both cases are where Bitcoin dominance goes up. But they both have very different impact on the altcoin market. Number one, when Bitcoin is going up because of some big event or big rally in Bitcoin, and as you see Bitcoin dominance going up, this is actually good for altcoins. It just brings more availability of capital into the crypto space, helping altcoins out. This is a case where when Bitcoin goes up, it helps the altcoin market. The second case, which was last night and yesterday late afternoon, was an area where Bitcoin dominance went up. This case is the one that was harmful to the altcoin market. Why? Because people were selling their Bitcoin left and right. Bitcoin's price, obviously, as a result of a Bitcoin sell-off, goes down, creating fear in the market. And altcoin folks are more scaredy cat than the Bitcoin folks. So as you can see, this was the impact into the altcoin market. Now, that's kind of like the high-level explanation of the two scenarios where Bitcoin dominance goes up. I'll have another video, probably a separate one, where I'll go through the other two cases where Bitcoin dominance goes down, and I'll make sure I add this in there to be complete. In the meantime, Ethereum's over 47.29. I feel like we're going to start pulling up nicely on this pair. I think Ethereum's really one of the strongest ones out there in terms of the altcoins, but we'll talk soon. Take care.